Ever feel like you have big dreams, but absolutely no energy to make them happen? You say, I'll do it tomorrow. But tomorrow comes, and you're still stuck. You want to write that book. You want to get fit. You want to save money. You want to learn a new skill. You want to change your life. But instead, you scroll your phone, watch TV, or tell yourself, I'll start later. And suddenly, another week is gone. Why does this happen? It's not because you're useless. It's not because you'll always be lazy. It's not because you don't care. It's because your goals feel too big. And when the brain senses something difficult, it immediately says, let's do something easier. That's your brain protecting you, not punishing you. But the good news? You can outsmart that part of your brain. You can break laziness, not overnight, but step by step. Let me show you exactly how. Step 1. Make it so small your brain can't resist. Big goals feel overwhelming. Write a book feels impossible, but one sentence is easy. Lose weight feels scary, but 5 push-ups is easy. Save money feels stressful, but saving $50 today is easy. Your brain avoids big, but it accepts small. Think of it like climbing a mountain. Nobody jumps to the top. You climb it one step at a time, even if the steps are tiny. Real life example. You want to start a YouTube channel? Don't think about 1K subscribers. Don't think about monetization. Start with one video, one clip, or one short today. You want to get fit? Don't think about running 5 km. Start with walking for 2 minutes. You want to save money? Don't think about $1 million. Save 100 today, even if it's small. Small wins build confidence. Confidence builds momentum. Momentum creates results. Step 2. Build routines, not willpower. Willpower will fail you. You wake up motivated today, but tomorrow you feel tired. That is normal. Routines save you when motivation dies. Think of routines like a system that carries you even when you don't feel like doing anything. Examples. Put your workout shoes beside your bed or sleep with your workout clothes on. Place your notebook on your pillow so you write at night. Set your alarm for the same time every morning. Keep your water bottle beside you so drinking water becomes automatic. Real-world scenario. You want to read more? Put a book in your bag or beside your phone. Every time you reach for your phone, you'll see the book. You want to pray or meditate daily? Tie it to something you already do. Right after brushing your teeth, meditate for 2 minutes. You want to clean your room daily? Make it part of your night routine. 10 seconds picking up clothes creates the habit. Routines remove stress. They remove thinking. They make success automatic. Step 3. The 2-minute rule. The most powerful rule. The hardest part of any task is starting. So here is the rule. Commit to doing something for just 2 minutes. Not 1 hour, not 30 minutes, just 2. If you want to read, read 1 page. If you want to write, write 1 sentence. If you want to exercise, do 2 minutes of stretching. If you want to clean, clear just 1 corner. If you want to study, read 1 paragraph. Once you start, your brain goes, oh, this isn't so bad. And you keep going. It's like pushing a heavy ball downhill. The first push takes strength. After that, it rolls by itself. Bonus tip. Reward yourself for starting. Don't wait to finish before celebrating. Celebrate the beginning. After you complete your 2 minutes, listen to your favorite song. Give yourself a short break. Dance for a few seconds. Tell yourself, good job. These small rewards train your brain to associate action with pleasure. That is how habits are built. The real truth you must accept. Everyone you admire struggles. The difference is simple. They start. They fail. They try again. They stay consistent. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to change your life overnight. You just need to keep moving. Think of your dreams like a fire. Right now it's a spark. Every small action is fuel. If you keep adding fuel, that spark becomes a flame, then a fire, then a wildfire. Common obstacles people face and how to solve them. 1. I don't have time. Solution, 2-minute rule. Everyone has 2 minutes. 2. I don't feel motivated. Solution, don't wait for motivation. Build routines. 3. Seeing small wins keeps you going. 5. My environment distracts me. Solution, remove triggers. Put phone across the room. Turn off notifications. Set your workspace. 6. I don't know where to start. Solution, start anywhere. Movement creates clarity. Final message, you are not lazy, You're overwhelmed. You don't need a perfect plan. You just need one small step. You don't need motivation. You need momentum. So here's the challenge. Pick one thing and do a 2-minute version of it today. Your dreams are waiting for you, but they will never move until you move. Take the step. Start small. Start now. And keep going. Subscribe for more poetic videos.